Are you an extroverted or introverted person? Do you prefer stay with a group of people or alone? If people represent individuals, have you ever thought that people in a region or country will have a certain personality type? For example, when it comes to South America, what do you think of? Hospitality? Then what about Northern Europe? I believe the word cold comes to mind immediately for most of you. The epidemic in 2020 disrupted many people's lifestyles. People who used to hang out together now are forced to keep distance for at least 1 meter by government. They, have no doubt, hope this virus can be eliminated as soon as possible, so that they can get back to normal social life. However, there is a country, Finland. The social interactions was almost unaffected by the epidemic. Why that? You see this picture? Can you tell which are Finns and which are foreigners? Here, people huddled together are foreigners. For Finns, the comfortable personal space is 1 to 1.5 meters. Do you know what else nightmares for Finns? The bus seats. It's considered to be rude in Finland to sit next to someone if there are completely empty double seats on the bus. Finns are known for their social distancing and personal privacy, and thus Finland has been titled as the country of introverts. So why do Finns have these behaviors that others find surprising? After research, we find that the reasons behind many can be categorized into 3 aspects. Firstly, let's talk about the weather. Finland is one of the world's northernmost countries. Of world capitals, only Reykjavik lies more to the north than Helsinki. The location determines the climate. In Finland, summers are full of light and winters, on the other hand, are the darkest of the dark. The period when the sun doesn't rise above the horizon lasts precisely 51 days in the very north of Finland. Other areas see only a couple of hours of daylight during the darkest time of the year, and the longest day is only 6 hours long in the south. The second is the population. By European standards, Finland is very sparsely populated, and around 73% of the country is forested. The darkness and the sparse population affect most of the people in a way or another, and the introvert culture is one of the consequences. Imagine that when it's dark and cold outside, isn't it more comfortable to stay on the couch reading a good book and wrap yourself in a soft blanket? The third is about cultural differences. Open the browser and search for eye contact. The information shown below clearly indicate the importance of this eye contact behavior. However, in Finland, things are different. It might be a sign of rudeness in other cultures not to look at each other in the eye when talking, while in Finland, it's simply a cultural habit. People do not like to make eye contact even when talking to friends and family, because the habits caused by factors above are exactly in line with the characteristics of introverts. Most of the Finns are classified as introverts. Whether it is cold or warm, it is the sort of differences that makes the world beautiful.